Hey, hi! It's Misty Eyez and
Adam.
Besties for Keto. So one of my friends, Peyton Lola Mendez, which everybody knows from Kiki Queens. Guess what? Miss Peyton is here in my house.
Peyton Rose Mendez on Insta.
She does house calls, y'all.
Well, apparently.
For the VIP clients.
We gotta make sure Misty's looking fresh for her birthday.
Oh, my birthday is in 8 days.
She's gonna be 20.
She's getting my girls together, honey.
Girl, we don't have
So I can
grades.
look 23 when I tell people I'm 23 on next Tuesday.
Bring presents.
To where?
America.
Bring parents to America. America is watching and America is gifting.
FedEx, UPS, Venmo, all the things.
Yes. Yes, queen. Thank you, lovely.
Welcome.
Told me I should do a mukbang video. A lot of my fans have been like, oh my god, you have to do YouTube videos again. And Adam was over yesterday and said, you should do a mukbang video. So he's over today and we decided to do it, but we're going to do it keto style. So what we have is chicken and broccoli from Chinese, Kung Pao chicken extra spicy. We went to Burger King and got 2 Big King burgers, the Big King bacon and the regular Big King double, and then the Big King bacon, the regular Big King double with no buns.
No ketchup.
No ketchup, right. But we can have hot sauce, right? Is the cayenne pepper, there's no cayenne pepper in there, right? I've never had a... Chow down? So I've never had hot sauce on a burger before. We're going to try it.
You don't know how spicy it is.
It's cayenne hot sauce. So I've been away from YouTube for a long time. Lots have been going on. I got married. I now work a 9 to 5. And I'm back in school. So I have 0 free time. Oh my god, 4 patties.
You're eating 4 patties at once?
Yeah.
No, you're wrong.
I like
Hot?
I like Burger King burgers with no bun. We couldn't decide if we wanted the Big King bacon or the Big King regular, so we got both.
Oh, I haven't eaten in 3 hours.
Oh yeah. Well, I know. And
I'm so hungry.
in typical fat girl fashion, we ate on the way here from the drive-thru. We couldn't help it. We had another dish prepared. But we were hungry.
No desserts though.
Keto. So the thing that sucks about keto is you can get the same dish as your husband. Like my husband and I will go out and I'll be like, I want the same thing, no bun or whatever. And he's full and I'm not. So we have to get double burgers.
Bacon. I'm messy.
Okay. I usually eat this with a fork. But they told me for keto or for mukbang I have to use my hands.
I don't realize how much food this is.
I told you.
I need more mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise.
I'm addicted to mayonnaise. And it's so healthy for you.
Okay.
It's just olive oil. And egg whites. And I think vinegar. No carbs, no sugar. I hate to put my mouth on it.
What?
I hate to put my mouth on this.
Stab with a fork.
I did wash my hands before doing any of this.
Quarantine. We're in quarantine. Did you sing happy birthday?
To who?
Oh,
While
washing
washing
your
my
hands.
I had a blonde moment there.
So, we live in Fort Lauderdale. And we're doing a soft open this Monday. I don't know when this video will get posted, but restaurants will be opening 50% capacity. I'm kind of excited.
I can't wait. I mean, it's been a nice 2-month vacation, but I haven't worked and haven't gotten paid.
I felt like a prisoner. Locked in a cell. I had to switch my leg.
I understand that. Especially through my addiction and everything.
They don't know what you're addicted to.
I'm addicted to them. I'm Adam, I'm an alcoholic. And I recently just hit a year sober.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of hard work.
So, did you find quarantining stress helped your addiction? Or was it more of a trigger? Because you just made a year and a week, right?
It was more of a trigger because I was by myself. And it's dangerous when you're by yourself because you're just in your head and you're thinking of like all these negative things, and you just, how normal people just go out and like, oh, well, I'll just go for a walk and get ready for work. I just want to drink until I'm drunk. Until obnoxiously trashed. That was a good many years.
So for 65 days, you wouldn't even leave your house?
Mm-hmm.
He only recently started coming around.
I did make a lot of phone calls though.
FaceTime. He FaceTimed me almost every night.
You're a fool.
Eat faster.
This is so messy.
You want to share these, or you want me to have one and you have the other?
Doesn't matter.
I'm going to add spicy to one of them. Why don't you like to put your mouth on this?
Because everyone's touched it. And it's in plastic.
You're not into plastic?
No.
Oops.
I mean, it hasn't been cleaned because dirty hands have touched it.
Sure.
Or COVID can't pass through food.
But it can hold on plastic. What shows are you watching during COVID-19 quarantine? I found some really good shows to watch. What are you watching?
I'm not watching a lot of shows. Misty did get me hooked onto this one show on Netflix. It's called what? Bates Motel?
Mm-hmm.
It's really good. And now I really want to watch Psycho for some reason.
Because it's kind of sort of the part 2 of Bates Motel, that's why.
And I come over to see a Psycho.
Dead to me, bitch.
I've been reading a lot of books. Keeping the mind educated.
Stimulated. You're stimulating your mind because I don't think it's educational what you're reading.
Harry Potter?
It's not educational, it's stimulating. You know. Say, put it in your mouth.
Yours is spicy. Mine is boring.
Well, you have mine. Also, we have spicy sauce. They didn't give me any mustard.
Are you spicy?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how people do this.
What?
Eat all this food.
I know. I'm starting to get full too. But I'm telling myself, it's keto.
Is that all the spicy ones?
Yes. Yeah, spicy's gone.
Now with keto, can you eat as much as you want?
Well, I don't know the rules. I think so. I don't know. I lost 80 pounds for my wedding on keto, and I kind of ate how much I wanted. But I was really strict because I was motivated. And then My anniversary is coming up on June 23rd. I have not posted a YouTube video since my wedding, basically, I don't think.
That's 2 years ago.
Yeah. I stopped doing keto, long story short, and I'm basically back to where I was before keto. So now I'm trying to do keto again.
I've been sticking to keto. I think it works.
So me, Netflix shows I highly recommend during COVID-19 or quarantine. Bitch, dead to me. Fucking everything. Oh my god. Oh my god, Dead to Me is so good. Like season 1, I screamed at the top of my lungs many times. Out loud. Stood up in my chair. Like I was in a movie theater when you're like, ah! So good. I don't know if it's based on a like a book, but it must have been, because it's not a typical TV show. It had to be on a novel. Excuse me, I made some juice. Spice. That's my masculine, feminine voice.
Yes. That was my masculine voice.
Sorry, I cough like a man. Oh my god, COVID. Coronavirus. It's real, y'all.
Would you be better if you just sat on that plate?
You know what? I saw him today. What's today? May 15th? 16th?
Working?
You'll see it in the video on the bottom. We're about to open up restaurants on Monday, and 26 people died last night, or today, or yesterday, whatever. Yesterday, COVID. The numbers are still coming up. 26 more people died.
What age were they?
I don't know. I'm just looking at statistics from the World Health Organization. Girl, 2 burgers and a whole Chinese dish, no egg roll, no rice. Kind of a lot.
We have to finish it?
Yeah, we have to finish it.
I can't.
You have to.
I'm full.
Well, because we ate on the way here.
I'm so full. You have to finish it for me.
Oh my god, I can't finish that one too. Pick at it. She was bitching at me. I have a camera stand. And I haven't recorded in so long I can't freaking find where I put it. And I was running around my house looking for it, and he was getting so mad. Hurry, I'm hungry. Now guess what? Ugh, I don't know how these people do it.
Are you full too?
Yes, we watched a couple people mukbang before we did this.
And they had a lot more food than we did.
Way a lot more.
You got nuts in yours.
Yeah, the kung pao has nuts. What we should do is a cheat day mukbang. Actually, if you watched it this far, put in your comments, do you want to see more mukbangs? I didn't even know this was a thing.
Oh, I can't eat anymore.
You can't eat anymore?
I'm so full.
Play with your food like a little kid.
You play with your food like a little kid.
I just turn it around your plate, that's what they do.
That's what actors do.
Yeah, because they can't actually eat. Because when they cut the scenes, it'll show like, when you said this, the sandwich was almost gone. And then the next sentence, the sandwich is brand new because they edit conversations and stuff. Yeah, I have to just push it around.
Why are you gonna push it around? What is that supposed to do?
Because we're big girls. You'll eventually put it in your mouth when you're pushing it around.
I'll always put anything in my mouth.
What else is good on Netflix? Dead to Me. You. YOU. Season 1's the best. Season 2 is whatever. Hollywood. Oh my god, Adam, have you seen Hollywood?
No.
Woo! You know what's cool about Hollywood?
Look at that.
It's about like in the 50s. Old school Hollywood. And in real life, Rock Hudson died of HIV. Maybe it wasn't the 50s. But he died of HIV. Yeah, I think it was the 50s. 50s, 60s. He died of HIV in real life, and he was closeted. Girl. But in this movie, he was an out homosexual.
Chug, 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 chug. It's rosé.
It is not. It is Crystal Light. But in the movie, he comes out. He's in an interracial relationship. He is in an Fuck me.
I can't even say.
He's in an interracial relationship. There you go. And a black girl wins the Academy Award. We all know that Halle Berry is the first actress to win Best Actress as a woman of color. But can you imagine in this fairy tale land if that was real life? We'd be so different today. If actors could be open about their homosexuality in the 60s and black people were celebrated.
How do you keep eating this if you feel like you're gonna pop?
I don't know. But we still, unfortunately, in real life, people of color are underrepresented, and so are LGBTQ people. Specifically the T. So in my dish, all the chicken's gone. Almost. There's one more.
Well, my dish is the hair.
That's extra. Is it mine or a cat's?
I don't know.
Is it long?
Long or brown?
Or is it short? Is it dark brown or white?
I threw it on the floor.
I can't help you. Oh my god, I'm so full.
Quit eating.
All the good stuff's gone.
We have another delivery coming in 20 minutes.
That's a typical fat girl move. So, a real fat girl move. By the way, it's raining outside. We went to drive-thrus, and it was pouring. We had to get out of the car for Chinese.
And she made us sit outside too.
COVID. Oh my gosh. I feel like I can almost finish this, I think. Have some.
You went,
Oh, okay.
She forgot.
Thank God I have been able to work during this COVID-19, working from home. And you have been completely out of work, huh? I bet you loved that stimulus check, didn't you?
Sure did.
So what is that, like 1-2 weeks of work for you? 3, 4?
3 weeks. Doesn't even add up to all my bills.
My husband and I got our check last night. Wow, praise God.
We have the fortune cookie now.
You want? But it doesn't. My share doesn't even pay for the rent. You're eating a cookie? That's breaded. You can't eat the broccoli because you ate a cookie.
I'm full.
I'm gonna finish this, you guys. I think.
If you promise someone something, keep it.
That's a good point, man.
What does it mean?
Keep your promises. Be a man or a woman of your word.
Oh, I thought it meant if I promised you my laptop to keep my own laptop.
No. If I
Who's
promise.
sweating over there?
Oh, it's spicy.
This mukbang was not completed that well.
I asked for extra spicy, but they never make it spicy, so I added more spice, and it's spicy. I'm sweating. Woo!
She's a little choked up right now.
Choking. I don't choke.
You have to eat cookie.
I know you're full, but I don't eat my cookie.
Are your hands clean? No.
Yes, of course they're clean. Failing to plan is planning to fail. That's a good fortune too. This place has good fortunes. If we were on mukbang, I'd say please stop chewing your mouth open. But I think that's the thing people like. So help yourself. Burp. Oh my god, I have 2 bites left. One. Three bites. Ta-da!
You are the champion.
Woo! So I didn't eat as much as you in the way here, though. We did eat in the car. And then when we sat down, we ate some more.
I know. We did eat in the car and just the rage coming out of her. Give it to me!
You were mad at the person in front of us in the drive-thru because it was taking too long.
And then they looked at their sandwich and then sent it back. Chug.
So, 2 burgers, a Chinese dish, no rice, and a pitcher of Crystal Light. Girl. So that is our first official mukbang. Maybe the last. You let us know.
Now we're gonna have some
6 pieces of... No, we're not gonna have ice cream. We don't have ice cream.
No ice cream?
No. I can't eat your broccoli. Yes, I can.
You got it all over your tit.
That's not bad.
It's just not the same.
You didn't ask for yours extra spicy.
No.
I'm full.
Me too.
So, any final words? That's not a word.
Come through! That's it.
Cheers. Dang it. Well, I'm full as a... I don't know what. I'm full.
Well, it's Chinese food, so give it an hour.
Right. The Burger King will probably sit in there for a minute, though. Alright, guys. Thank you for watching. Let me know if you like more videos. Let me know if you like more mukbangs specifically.
I like the way you say that.
Mukbang. You want like a mukbang for you? It's no problem. You like it's real nice. Mukbang. Woo, I am sweaty, girl. Where do my hair at? Do I have a ponytail? No.
A scrunchie, you mean?
Yeah, that. Ponytail holder? No. No. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. Loving you is easy.
Bye.
Bye. Girl, got it.